You sold it for 1,000, but is that your profit? Well, not yet. Welcome to day 3 of the 60-second MBA, where I explain big business grammar in simple English. Today, we are talking about gross profits. This is the money left in your hand after you subtract the direct cost of the materials, which is COGS, cost of goods sold, as explained in the previous episode. This is always before you pay your other expenses, other bills, which, for example, can be the cost of paying electricity bills or paying your staff. You sold rice for 1,000, which is your revenue, but the cost of goods sold to make that rice is 600 naira. Your revenue minus cost of goods sold is what is your gross profit. So in this case, 1,000 minus 600 equals to 400. So that 400 is your gross profit. Investors check this to ensure the core business makes sense. If you don't have gross profits, you technically don't have a business. But can you spend that 400? Hell no. Tomorrow, we talk about the real profits, which we call net profit. Do well to subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification icon so that you get notified when I post video for tomorrow. See you next time.